If Steam error 88 is stopping you from launching a game or finishing an update, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Steam error 88 means and the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually caused by a resource being busy or an operation already in progress, which means Steam is trying to use memory, a file, or a driver that another program is already holding onto. The good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to start with the most important basic fix, verifying your game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you error 88, then right-click it and choose Properties. Inside Properties, click Installed Files and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your installation and replace any missing or corrupted files. This is one of the best first steps because error 88 can happen when a required file is damaged or when Steam cannot properly access it during launch. While Steam is checking those files, this is a good time to move on to the next fix, which is clearing your download cache. Sometimes Steam gets stuck because cache download data becomes corrupted or conflicts with a pending update. To do that, open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, open Downloads and look for Clear Cache. Click it and confirm the action if prompted. Steam may ask you to sign in again after this, and that is completely normal. Once you're back in, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to fully restart Steam and let it update properly. A lot of people only minimize Steam or close the window, but that does not always fully reset the service. Instead, make sure Steam is completely closed. You can do this by right-clicking Steam in the system tray and selecting Exit, or by opening Task Manager and ending any remaining Steam processes. After that, reopen Steam normally. If there are any pending client updates, Steam will often apply them during startup, and that alone can fix error 88. Now, let's try another fix that solves a lot of launch issues, running Steam as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut or the Steam executable and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to access certain shitles, drivers, and system resources that may otherwise be blocked. If the game launches properly this way, it may mean Windows permissions were preventing Steam from finishing the operation. Next, we need to look at a very common cause of Steam error 88, conflicting overlays. Error 88 often happens when two programs are trying to hook into the game's graphics API at the same time. That means Steam, Discord, MSI, Afterburner, Rivatuner, or even other performance tools may all be competing for the same resource. Before launching the game, completely close Discord, MSI, Afterburner, and Rivatuner. Don't just minimize them, exit them fully, then open Steam again and try the game. If you want to test whether the Steam overlay itself is part of the problem, go into Steam settings, then open in-game, and turn off Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. This is a very useful test because if the overlay conflict is causing the error, disabling it can immediately remove the problem. After testing, you can decide whether to leave it off or turn it back on later. Now let's move on to the hardware side of the fix. Sometimes Steam error 88 is not really about the game at all. It's about your GPU or audio driver being stuck in a busy state. If that happens, Windows has a quick shortcut you can use to reset your graphics driver without restarting the whole PC. Press Windows, Control, Shift, and B at the same time. Your screen may flash briefly, and that is a good sign because it means the graphics driver is being reset. After that, try launching the game again. If the driver reset does not work, then the next best step is a full reboot. A reboot clears locked resources, stops background conflicts, and gives your system a clean start. This is especially helpful if Steam error 88 started after a game update, a driver update, or a long PC session where multiple apps have been running for hours. At this point, if you followed every step, most Steam error 88 issues should be resolved. To recap, you verified the game files, cleared the Steam download cache, restarted and updated Steam, ran Steam as administrator, closed conflict-prone overlays, turned off the Steam overlay if needed, reset the graphics driver, and rebooted the system if necessary. That combination solves the most common causes of the resource busy or operation in progress error. If this video helped you fix Steam error 88, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more fast tech and gaming tutorials. And if you want, drop a comment below with the exact game you were trying to launch because I may be able to help with a more specific fix. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.